Hello from Marine Preppers, coming to you from Australia. Just a quick little video to start us off on our channel to have a look at some things that could be useful in prepping or survival or just in everyday life, really. I thought I'd start simply with a few things that are readily available, quite cheap, and multi-purpose. So today's investigation is going to be on one of these things. This is a Hegs peg. It's supposedly quite famous, actually, because it's been on TV here in Australia. Not this particular peg, of course, but the idea itself. So the reason I really like these over just your average peg is it's got a couple of functions that you don't normally see, which is probably why it's famous. It's got a few options that are over and above the average peg, so obviously it doesn't look like a normal peg. So it's got these little clips on each side, which is quite interesting. So many purposes that you could use this for. For example, out in the wild, obviously orange might not be the best colour, but you could use this hook arrangement for a set fishing line, because once you set this up on a branch or something, that's not going to come off if it's locked in here, and you have your fishing line connected. So you could just set up a number of those along a riverbank or the ocean somewhere where it could be secured. That would work quite well, I reckon. It would also function as a trigger for a trap, so you put this on a stick and use this as a trigger, so it holds it in quite nicely. It's a bit hard to see, but in here there's a little bump that holds the line in just there. So if you had this snapped onto a twig or a branch for a trigger for a snare or something like that, that would work very well. And it's obviously got two of those, so if you break one off, you can use the other one, so you a bit of redundancy. It's also got a stainless steel spring in here. Now, just remember, this is Marine Preppers we're coming to you from, so this item is still good in the marine environment for obviously pegging clothes onto a clothesline. But the other uses for it, I'm sure there'd be many more. If anyone out there has any other ideas that you could use these for, put them in the comments below. I'll put a link for where you can get these from, and also some of the information that comes with them, which is not a lot really, but they're quite good quality, moulded nicely. Yeah, fantastic. So if you want to stick around, click the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you out there. Good prepping. See ya.